there's two different coils, and if you get them mixed up, your weed trimmer won't run right. You gotta check your manufacturer's date on those trimmers because it's a different coil, like right here, for the ones made after 2001 and the coil that's made pre-2001. They look very similar, but there's a difference. And most of the time on Amazon, it'll let you know that it's pre-2001 or after 2001. So let me explain to you what happens when you do have the wrong coil. You'll get spitting, backfiring out of the intake. You'll see gas shooting back because the timing is off and it's not making a great time fuel air spark mixture.
There you go. The right coil.